Hey everyone, what's up? So few weeks ago I made this very ugly looking Attiny84 board which was functional and small. The goal was to build a small Arduino like board which is less costly than a Pro Mini and can be used in projects which require less configuration like blinking an LED or driving a NeoPixel, stuff like that. I upgraded this whole setup and made this. A small yet powerful Attiny84 Breakout board which have AMS1117 on bottom. So I can provide 12 volt to this board and still get 3.3 volt from it. I designed this PCB in OrCAD cadence and send its Gerber data to JLC PCB. JLC PCB is one of the best PCB manufacturer out there in market. They offer great PCB service with less price. 5 PCBs for just $2. I got myself 10 PCBs with black solder mask because black is cool. After receiving the PCBs, I start assembling stuff. This PCB have component on both sides, so I first soldered AMS1117 side and then soldered the Attiny84 along two LEDs and a USB port. At last, I soldered the jumper headers and the PCB soldering job was done. Now let's flash it with some test code. For that, I first installed the core file for Attiny MCUs from GitHub by Spence Conde. Link is in video description. After installing the board file for Attiny, we just need to connect the Attiny with an Attiny programmer, which is this, a custom Attiny programmer which I made especially for stuff like these. If you want to know how I built this, then just go to the link which is given in the video description. I connect the Attiny programmer's SPI pin with Attiny84 SPI pins according to this schematic. I've added an LED to this board which is connected to D8 pin. So I'm gonna open the classic blink sketch and put the pin 8 in that. Now pay attention. Open tool menu and select the Attiny84 from boards. Do not change any setting except programmer. Select Arduino as ISP as programmer and then burn bootloader. Wait for few seconds. You will be greeted with a done burning bootloader message. Now go to sketch menu and hit upload using programmer and it's done. Thanks to JLC PCB for providing the PCBs for this project. All the document, code, Gerber data for PCB schematic are available in Hackster page of this project. Link is in video description. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.